Hello guys, welcome to Daily Chinese with Kelsey channel. I believe you've heard this famous, exciting, and describe the person's honest mind and the difference between the wealth and poor society. This is the Squid Game from Netflix. Today, we will use this drama to learn Chinese, and I will separate into two episodes. The first episode, I will introduce the previous 3 games in Chinese and dive into every single vocabulary and make a sentence. In the second episode, we will introduce another 3 games and also the meaning of this Netflix series that taught us, and what can you found in the Squid Game. Take a note and thumbs up the video first. Oh, and don't worry, I'm not a spoiler, so you can watch this video and enjoy your Chinese learning journey. Let's start from first game. 1、2、3木头人. This game is from our childhood. Someone stands against a tree with eyes closed. All the other players are a reasonable distance behind the person, trying to move toward the person that person says red line, green line, 1, 2, 3, and either turn around toward the players. At that point, all the players must be freeze, otherwise they will get shot, which means they will be out of the game. They don't show emotion to other people. That's the key point. We use this vocabulary to describe this game in Chinese. But also in Taiwan, most of the children play this game during the childhood. So the game of entirely Chinese name, we can say 1、2、3木头人. Red line, green line, 1, 2, 3. The sentence I want to bring you guys today is 他真的很木头欸. He is really like a wood. 他真的很木头欸。他超像一个木头人。He is really like a blockhead. 他超像一个木头人。In the second game within this series, all the players choose from 4 shapes before knowing the selections. These are circle, triangle, star, and umbrella. Nobody realized that the more manageable the form, the simpler it is win to this game. No matter which shape they were chosen, they must be finished in the given limited time. If anyone cracked the shape, they got shot. So in this part, we can learn about the 4 shapes of the Chinese. Circle is 圆形, 圆形. Triangle is 三角形, 三角形. 雨伞 umbrella, 雨伞. 星星 is star, 星星. And how can we use these 4 shapes to make a sentence with the series? In this part, I would like to teach you about how to say what is your favorite shape. Shape in Chinese we can say 形状. So the whole sentence in Chinese we can say 你最喜欢的形状是什么呢？你最喜欢的形状是什么呢？ Okay, but why do I want to teach you this grammar structure? If you haven't watched the series on Netflix, you can watch that episode and you will know why I would like to teach you about this grammar structure. Besides, this grammar structure is the most related to our daily life. Remember that we mentioned this grammar structure? 你最喜欢的形状是什么呢？ You can change 形状, which is shape, to another noun to ask your friends or colleagues or family what their favorite thing is. So for example, 你最喜欢的水果是什么呢？ What is your favorite fruit? 你最喜欢的水果是什么呢？ The third game of the show is the most classic game, which is Tug of War. In Taiwan, we also play tug of war when there is a sports competition held in the school. In the series 2, two groups pull on either face of a rope till one team is forcing across the middle. But the middle, there may be a drop of couple of thousand feet. In our ordinary thought, the stronger man team always got a big shot to win this game. However, we forget about the essential part of this game, which is teamwork and strategy. In this part, I would like to teach you guys how can you say teamwork and strategy in Chinese. The strategy, we can say 策略 策略 Teamwork, we can say 团队合作团队合作 The sentence I would like to bring you guys today is we must have an excellent strategy to win this game. In Chinese, we can say 我们必须要有一个很棒的策略来赢得这场比赛。我们必须要有一个很棒的策略来赢得这场比赛。Another sentence make with teamwork is, we have to rely on teamwork to make the project done. In Chinese, 这个专案必须靠着团队合作才能完成。这个专案必须靠着团队合作才能完成。Okay guys, it's about the review time. So the first vocabulary I would like to bring you guys is wood, 木头 and then it's the shape. We can say 圆形 in circle, right? One more time. 圆形 and the star, we can say 星星 Umbrella 雨伞 Triangle 三角形 and the shape, we can say 形状 策略 strategy 策略 teamwork 团队合作 Okay, and let's learn about the game name. I never mentioned before, but in here, let's take some review. Red line, green line, 1, 2, 3. In Chinese, we can say 1, 2, 3木头人 1, 2, 3木头人 and the tug of war, we can say 拔河 And now, let's move to the sentence. He is really like wood. 他真的很木头欸 He is really like a blockhead. 他超像一个木头人 What is your favorite shape? 你最喜欢的形状是什么呢？你最喜欢的形状是什么呢？ And don't forget our grammar structure for today. You can change 形状 to every single noun to ask your friends or colleagues what is their favorite things. So the grammar structure is 你最喜欢 plus every single noun. The last sentence I would like to bring you guys is we must to have an excellent strategy to win this game. In Chinese, we can say 我们必须要有一个很棒的策略来赢得这场比赛。我们必须要有一个很棒的策略来赢得这场比赛。 And we have to rely on teamwork to make the project done. 这个专案必须靠着团队合作才能完成。这个专案必须靠着团队合作才能完成。I appreciate you guys watching this video here. If you like the topics and vocabularies I told you today, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell of my channel so that you won't miss the second episode of Learning Chinese with Squid Game. I will see you in the following video. Bye!